Good day, YouTubers. So I am back with another LG Sidekick video. I was inspired to make this video because I sometimes get these from auction, and if they are beyond repair, I'll part them out. And by far the most common part I'm asked for is the door, or lid, whatever you want to call it. And that's because they fail commonly at the handle. As you can see, mine has failed. So I wanted to post my fix. What I ended up doing was I lifted the trim piece, and you might want to drill a pilot hole and just go ahead and drill a standard screw through. Because all you need to do is for this portion of the door to support the handle. When mine broke, it was locking at an angle. It was like lopsided, so it caused the leak. And the trick to making this work is you need to have the head of the screw be here, of course, but you also need it to be within the hump of the trim piece so that it has enough room to fit there when you clamp it back down and close it. And you can see on this side, the little chrome piece is what broke on this side. And this even broke. This must have just happened. But yeah, if you have an issue with your door handle locking on your LG Sidekick, this fix may work for you. And if it does, you're welcome. Take care.